Hey, welcome back guys to step 2. So what you're going to do now is, once you've done the first layer, you're going to do to the second layer now. The second layer. So in the second layer, right, you have to know that opposite red is orange. So any wedge containing orange is wrong. So this is wrong because it's orange and yellow. This is correct because it's white and blue. This is correct because it's white and green. This is also correct because it's white and yellow. So only this is wrong. So what I'm going to do now, right, I have to align. See the white over here. So I have to align. So I make a line now. If align, I look at the bottom color. The bottom color should be either blue or green. How do I know that? It's because my left hand side has blue and my right hand side is green. So could only be two colors over here. It's either blue or green. So in this case, it's blue over here. So it's blue over here. My blue is on the left hand side. So I bring it to the right. And then I bring down the left. I put it back. The white. And then I bring up the left. So in this situation, in the first step I was teaching you, if it's at the top facing you, you bring it down, turn the top, put it back. So now can you see this two is fixed now? So look at this color now, it's white. It's also aligned correctly. So I look at the bottom color, it's white and green. White and green. So it's green. The green is either my left or my right. So it's in my right. So if in my right, I bring it to the left. I bring down the right. I put it back so that this thing is aligned now. And I bring up the right. So once I bring it up, I was teaching you just now to fix the corner. The cube, you're almost done. Red should be in your left palm. And this thing should be in your right. So if it's facing you and it's at the bottom, you bring it up, turn the bottom, and you bring it down, and you put it back. So now you can see this green is also done. There's only one more to go, this. So I have to align, I have to find for aligning this blue here. So let's try blue. Is it yellow? Yeah, it's yellow. I can't do this because it's orange, yellow. I can't do this because it's green and orange. I can't do this because it's blue and orange. So only can do is this, blue and yellow. So the yellow is on my left hand side. So I bring it to the right, bring down the left, put it back, and I bring up the left. Then I turn because it's facing upward. So I bring it down, and I turn the top, and I put it back, and I spin it in. Yeah. This you have done the second layer. But sometimes, right, you have things like you have situations like this thing is placed correctly, it's green, yellow, but not turned correctly. So to turn correctly, right, so everything is done. When you look at the bottom, it's orange, green and orange. Look over here, there's white and orange. Look over here, it's orange and yellow. Look over here is blue and orange. In this case, you can see only this is correct but not turned correctly. So what do I do is, I bring down, because it's if it's over here, right, if you have seen cube like this, in this particular position, if you are seeing like this, just turn it, bring it over here, so in your right hand side. Because whatever you're going to do, right, you should do in your right hand side. So you bring down the right, turn to the right, and then bring it up. And then if it's facing you and it's at the bottom, you bring it up, turn the bottom, put it back in, and turn it back. Now can you see that yellow and green has gone now because you replace it with another color? So now you have to find for that. It's over here, green and yellow. So yellow is, you look at the side, is green and orange. It's orange and yellow. It's blue and orange. So it's over here, right? So it's the yellow is on your right hand side. You move it to the left. You bring down the right. You bring back the green to align it, and then you bring up the right. And then then you put this in your left palm and this over here. So you bring it, if it's down, you bring it up, turn the bottom, then you bring it down. Now everybody should have a second layer complete, the top also complete, the first layer also complete, and the second layer. So to watch the next step, how to solve the Rubik's Cube, because you are going to almost finish, just the third layer and the face, and you will be done with your Rubik's Cube. Please watch step 3